Hi guys! It's been a while since I've posted a new video. It's just been a hectic time for me, so I've been stressed and then I slept the stress out, and then last weekend it was just, yeah, it was just my house chores that called on me, so sorry about that. It's just been very hectic, but now it's time for some makeup tutorials. It's autumn finally. I always say when we write September 1st, it's autumn. It's autumn. Nobody says anything else to me. Nobody say anything else to me because it is fall. So I was inspired by the season with such a mix of cool and warm colors on my face, as you can see. Warm lip, warm cheeks, and then cool tones, also a bit of warmth. So yeah, it's so great. And if you want to see a more warm toned fall look, then I will also make that. You can vote on it right up here with the the cards and all that. So if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. Off with the glosses. My skin is so smooth today. I took a peel off mask on. Put a peel off mask on me last night, so my skin is like not coarse or anything. You know, when the skin gets coarse, it's so ugh. Now we start out with the primer. I'm taking the Maybelline Master Prime number 10. This is just a transparent one. Whoa, so much air in this one. There we go. Let's put it on here. Massaging it in here right by my pores, because it's always around here with my nose I produce most oil. After all, it's because I have clogged pores here. So that peel off mask that I put on myself last night helped a lot. Taking out the white and maybe some of the black coming-ons. I apologize for the light. It is cloudy, but yeah, they just passed the sun now and then. We all know the best filming weather is when it's cloudy and the sun isn't coming through. It's the best light when you're filming in natural light like I do. And for concealer, I'm just gonna take my NYX full coverage concealer in green. I have a pimple right here on my chin. It's so annoying. It's very deep because I can't extract it. It's so annoying when that happens. That's the only thing I need to color correct. And then to conceal the rest, I'm taking my other full coverage concealer in Alabaster. I love this stuff, and I'm almost out of it. I'm all the way to the edges right now, and well, I have gotten my mom's other concealer, and I also am using another concealer just for every day. And that's from my Maybelline. It is the Cover Stick concealer. It's actually quite good for every day, but I just prefer this one because it conceals and it highlights. It is brilliant. I love it. I need to get it again because I'm so in love with it. Like this, not just here. And then we're like covered. I'm just gonna blend it out with my Beauty sponge. Now, about what I said with the concealer I got from my mom. She is not using it anymore. She's using another. It's because she had, weirdly enough, with that concealer, she has used it many times before, but now she's getting an allergic reaction from it, and yeah, it's just part of the skin of her skin maturing, and she's in I'm not sure. She's 60 now, so obviously the skin changes with age, and she's getting an allergic reaction. That's just so weird because that concealer is just made of natural ingredients, so she shouldn't be. So now she's gone over to a Clinique one, and that's actually better for her. There we go. I look so much more awake. I love it. But when it comes to the color of that concealer, I think it's just a shade too dark for me, but like, I don't know whether I can use it next year for the summer or something like that, or maybe when I just want to look more tan, so then I can use it. Then I'm just going to use my foundation. This is the Total Control Drop foundation in porcelain. Usually for the summer I'm using the shade Light Ivory, but now I'm going over to this. There's so little left of there's so little of this, but I have a spare one. I have a new one. So let's see, how many drops do I want? Yeah, let's take 16, medium coverage. Now I'm just gonna apply it with my sponge, and it's just gonna start down here where I color corrected. As you know, there's no rules when it comes to whether you want to apply whether you apply concealer first or foundation first. I just like, when it comes to color correcting, it's best to do that first, I think, because then you have it, then it's gone. As you can see, now it's gone. You can't see that I had a red spot right there now. It's just so annoying because I'm so conscious about that fact that I have a red spot. Good thing for a green color corrector. It's been a while since I've worn this foundation, because it's been so hot that I couldn't wear any foundation. It was just melting off. Why? Because I don't have a setting spray, and I so need it. There, the foundation is nice and bounced in, so now I'm just gonna set my brows. As you can see, I have tinted them, and I also waxed them because they were really like bushy. So I'm just going to brush them through and then set them with my NYX control free eyebrow gel. I really love it, and it's transparent. So I'll be right back. I'm just going to set my base. I'm taking my NYX HD finishing powder. You know I love this stuff. And I'm using my powder brush by Real Techniques. Here we go. Just set it, set it, set it. You know, the trend right now is that we have dewy skin, so that means cream products, but I'm just, that I was in the spring summertime, I had dewy skin there, but when it's fall, I like going back to a matte skin. And I'm still not over matte lipsticks. They're so great. Now that the base is done, I'm just going to do the right side of my face, and then I will be back. There, right eye and right side done. I'm just loving this. It's just a little bit of mix of cool and warm we have. So let's just do this so you can see it. I'm taking my NYX HD eyeshadow base. Like that, and I'm just gonna blend it out. And for this tutorial, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. Who else is devastated that the original Naked palette is discontinued? It's because I still have mine and haven't hit pan on any of my shadows yet. Anyway, I'm taking Combust, this one, on my crease brush by BH. Like that, and then I'm just going to apply this to my crease. Extend it a bit. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. Always look up so you don't, by accident, get the bristles inside your eye. Next one is Password, this gray toned one, and I'm still using my crease brush for this. Obviously, Combust was just a transition color, so now it's on with Password. Now, if you don't have this palette, the Naked Smoky one, then I'm pretty sure you must have something in another palette in your stash that has the same colors. I just want to use this palette more because it is so gorgeous. I haven't used it a lot on my channel. It's just so perfect for smoky looks, as you can see, but also just good for fall, like that. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of Password on my lower lash line just to have that hint of darkness there. I'm taking my blending brush by BH, and I'm just going to mix the two, blend the two out. So, low lash line. Taking my shading brush by Real Techniques, I am taking Armor, right there, such a shimmering, satin actually, satin grey. And applying that to my lid. And I'm applying all the way up to the crease. I'm taking the blending brush again and blending the crease once again. And then for final touch, I'm taking High for my highlight color on my BH angle shadow brush on my brow bone, right by the arch. Such a gorgeous champagne color. Brings in a little bit of warmth. And then also for my inner corner. Stunning. And for eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and lining my top lash line and making a little wing. I'm going into the wing again, just a little one. And then for my inner rims, I'm taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama 24-hour gel liner in, what's your color? I can't even read it, sorry about that. It's written so small. Volcanic Bronze, there it was. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply my Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara by Maybelline, and then I will be back. Moving on to the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX Blushing Taupe and my contour brush by Real Techniques. Just gonna contour the usual places. Contour the forehead because I have a big forehead. Then jawline. In my nose and below the lip. Let's give that extra pat. Blush, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice, and my blush brush by Real Techniques, I'm taking this color right here. It's a little bit of maroon color to it. I've just been using this blush so much lately. I just love it. There's a little bit of maroon color to it, but also warm. For highlighter, I'm taking an OG out. I've been using the Mary Luminizer by the Balm so much lately, and I still haven't cracked it. It's so good. I'm taking my setting brush by Real Techniques and just highlight the high points, the cheekbone, and then I'm also going down the nose and the cupid bow. You can highlight the tip of your nose if you like. Just do this. Just love Mary Lou. And then for lips, I've taken one of the matte lip color lipsticks by Elf Out, and this one is in Praline. It is such a gorgeous reddish brown. I love it. So on this. And now we're done with this mix of hot, cool and warm colors, fall inspired look, and I just love it. It's weird with me, with my skin undertone. I can wear cool colors and I can wear warm colors. Sorry about the light, even though I've tried to do my best not to have the sharp light. But anyway, this is how it came out. Love it. Jeez, this lip color is just, I love it with the gray color, and it's just gorgeous. As you can see, my hair has grown a bit longer. That's what happens when you don't have any inspiration for a short haircut. So right now we're letting it grow, and it's so nice. So nice. I can have it up in my clip and a ponytail, and it's a while since I've been there, so but change sometime is good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so remember to subscribe, comment, like this video if you liked it, and then you can follow me on all my social media, and also on my vlog, and then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!